Hello students, today we will do question number 19 of sample question paper CBSE standard. So let us start. This is question number 19. In this one he has given some information. You can see this type of shape is called parabola. A parabola is the graph that results from p of x is equal to x square plus bx plus c is a parabola, and parabolas are symmetric about a vertical line known as axis of symmetry. This line is called axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry runs through the maximum or minimum point of the parabola, which is called the vertex. So here it is the vertex. On the next page they have given two figures. You can see here this is vertex and that is also vertex, and this is axis. Now here first question we have, if the highway overpass is represented by this polynomial, then its zeros are. So this is a part. Let us see how to solve this one. This they have given x square minus 2x minus 8. So when you factorize, here we have 1 into minus 8 will be minus 8. When you do it by middle term splitting, it will come like this: x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8, because when you subtract you will get minus 2 and when you multiply you will get minus 8. After that you will take from these two, x will be common. When you take x common, inside you will have x minus 4, here plus sign. From these two we can take 2 common, so inside we will have x minus 4. Now this is common in both, so it will be written once x minus 4, and in second bracket x plus 2 will be written. Now we want to find the 0, so both will be put equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here x will be equal to 4 and from here x will be equal to minus 2. That's why second option will be correct. So that is 19th question, A part. After that, see second part, the highway overpass is represented graphically. Zeros of a polynomial can be represented graphically. Number of zeros of polynomial is equal to number of points where the graph of polynomial intersects at x-axis or y-axis or on both axes or none of the above. So in this case, where it intersects x-axis, those will be the zeros. So its option 1 is correct. So this is B part. Now come to third, C part. He has given here graph of a quadratic polynomial is a straight line or circle or parabola or ellipse. Here you see this type of figure, already I told this is called parabola. So here the graph of a quadratic polynomial will be equal to parabola. So C, third option is correct. After that, D part, the representation of highway underpass whose one zero is 6 and sum of the zeros is 0. 4 options they have given. What they have given? Whose one zero is 6 and sum of the zeros is 0 itself. So we have to choose which is correct. So this is D part. So let us see. This is D part. See here. Let first 0 is alpha 6. Second 0 we don't know. And sum of the zeros they have given 0. That's why alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Now in place of alpha we will write 6, and from here we can find the value of beta. That when it go to this side it will become minus 6. After that we will calculate alpha into beta. That means 6 into minus 6 will be equal to minus 36. And quadratic polynomials formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, or you can say x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Now alpha plus beta we have 0, so here we will put 0, x square as it is, 0 into x plus, and alpha into beta we got minus 36. So here in place of alpha into beta I have written minus 36. Now when we multiply 0 into x you will get 0, so no need to write. So x square as it is and plus into minus 36 will come. So third option is correct. So that is D part. Now let us see last part of the question. Last part we have the number of zeros of this polynomial can have is these 4 options are there. So see this E part. Now we have this E part. We have given this polynomial. When you open by using this formula, a minus b whole squares, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So according to this formula, you can see this is a and that is b. So x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus b square means 2 square, and this plus 4 will be written as it is. When you solve, it will become minus 4x, square of 2 is 4 and that 4 is here. After that 4 plus 4 8. Now you see in this one, coefficient of x square will be called a. So a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is 8. Now we will calculate d, discriminant. Its formula is b square minus 4ac. Now you put all the values. When you put the value minus 4 in place of b, so it will become square of minus 4 will be 16. And here when you multiply 4 into 8, 32 will come. When you subtract, minus 16 will come, and we know when the value of d is negative, then its roots will not be real. So its real roots are not possible. That's why its option number 3, 0 will be correct. That means it will not have any real roots. So that is the question. I think you understood. You do practice such type of questions. Thank you, students.